Rainy day at the lake of the Ozarks. But this is a primo spot to fly my drone. So I'll probably do that after the rain. Hopefully one day this week. And this is the unit I'm working on. Pretty much a gut job. It's just a studio, but yeah, it's rough. I gotta paint all this woodwork, paint it white. All kinds of holes in the wall I've gotta fill. Nails everywhere. I've gotta spray these popcorn ceilings. So I'm getting stuff ready for that. I have to strip the wallpaper in this bathroom, which I forgot about. So yeah, it's gonna slow things down. And then just this bedroom here. Again, all this woodwork, baseboard, doors, ceilings. Yeah, this is a ghetto job. It's just nasty. But hey, it's work. Who you gonna call? Drone pool, that's who. Alright, well, it's not gonna get done itself, so I guess I'll go back to it. But yeah, hopefully one day this week, I'll have a good chance to fly the drone. I'll go right down there to that pool area and launch and fly over these docks and out to the lake. All right, drone pool signing out.